There are new questions today also about campaign politics and a potential coronavirus vaccine. In a letter obtained to CBS News, or by CBS News, the director of the CDC is calling on all states to have vaccine distribution sites fully operational, they say, by November 1st, just 2 days, of course, before the general election. The letter was sent on August 27th. The same day, President Trump spoke at the Republican National Convention. Mark Strassman has more on this.
Whether we end up with a vaccine sooner or later, we need those plans, we need those logistics in place.
Dr. Jesse Goodman is the former chief scientist at the FDA. He oversaw several vaccine approval and distribution efforts. Goodman is concerned that the new letter from the CDC did not come sooner.
We have safety, effectiveness, quality, good logistics and distribution system, a safety monitoring system, and we don't screw up the trust. A safe and effective vaccine can save lives. But that's a tall order to come up with in the remaining time before then.
Dr. Goodman worries that political pressure on the FDA could lead the public to doubt its safety and effectiveness.
It has nothing to do with elections. This has to do with delivering safe, effective vaccines to the American people as quickly as possible and saving people's lives.
But both FDA Commissioner Dr. Stephen Hahn and Dr. Anthony Fauci said no vaccine would be approved or granted emergency authorization without sound data and science behind it.
I would not be comfortable with a vaccine unless it was shown in a clinical trial clearly to be safe and effective.
Now, with Labor Day weekend approaching, the nation's top health officials are urging Americans to remain disciplined, to avoid behaviors that led cases to spike following Memorial Day and the 4th of July. On a trip across the Midwest, Dr. Deborah Birx of the White House Coronavirus Task Force gave this stern warning.
When I say socially distance, it means at all times, including with family members. We are seeing that crowded neighborhood events, including backyard barbecues, are currently one of the primary spreaders of virus.
Birx's tour comes as several states report COVID spikes, including Iowa. The White House recently flagged Iowa as having the highest rate per capita of new COVID cases. Mark Strassman, CBS News, Atlanta.